Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today, I will be unboxing some Apple accessories for the iPad Air 4. Okay, so if you haven't watched my previous video about the iPad Air 4, you can watch it here. Okay, so yung i-unbox nating Apple accessories. I think if bibili ka lang din ng accessories for your iPad, might as well go with these accessories because I think these Apple accessories are very essential now. And if you want to take your iPad experience to the next level, these are the best accessories that you can get for your iPad. Okay, so wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so which one to unbox first? iPad Smart Folio na lang. Let's go with the bigger one. Let's check muna what can we see on the box. So in front, makikita mo agad yung itsura ng Smart Folio. And this one, we got the color black para to match the iPad Air Space Gray. On top, wala naman. Here, wala. And then sa likod, it says iPad Smart Folio on the top. Here are some illustrations on the configuration that you can use. And then sa baba, merong nakalagay na iPad Air 4th generation. So only for the iPad Air 4th generation. Hindi pwede yung previous iPad Air. Okay, so walang pull tab and hindi rin siya naka-plastic cover. So bare na siya nung na-receive ko. Okay, so I guess hilain lang to. Oh. Wow. Okay, so hilain natin siya. And wala na dito sa loob. Walang Apple stickers. Yan, bare na bare siya. And then, ito na yung mismong Smart Folio. Okay. And then, once ma-open mo, meron siyang paper na kunyari iPad. Okay, so let's put that on the side and let's focus on the Smart Folio first. The texture is silicone and if naka-experience na kayo nung iPhone case na silicone, so ganun na ganun yung texture. And in the front, ito makita nyo, meron dalawang stripes para to dun sa mga configuration kung paano mo i-stand yung iPad. And then on the back, ito naman siya. Merong Apple logo in the center and the camera cutout. So you cannot use this for your iPad Pro even though na para sila ng form factor. But in this case, hindi pwede kasi yung camera cutout is isa lang. So for iPad Air 4 lang talaga siya pwede. And then once you open it, meron siyang parang cloth or felt-like texture. I think this is just to protect your iPad Air, of course. So, meron sa harap and meron sa likod. Okay, so best way to test this one is, of course, we will get the iPad Air 4. So, this is the Space Gray. Flat ko lang siyang ganyan. And, yan. Connected na siya. And I think malakas yung magnet, enough, more than enough siya to carry the iPad Air. See, I'm trying to shake it and hindi siya natatanggal. So, okay siya. And then, pag kinlose mo na to, this is how it looks like. Okay, so on top, as you can see, meron siyang areas na hindi covered. So, syempre, para hindi matakpan yung speakers and yung power button or yung Touch ID. And then, on the side, for the volume up and down and the connector for the Apple Pencil. And at the bottom, you can still see for the speakers and the USB Type-C. On the side dito, covered siya. At the back, you can see the camera cutout, so sobrang sakto siya. And for the mic. Okay, so dahil Smart Folio siya, automatic mag-open si iPad Air. So, yan. And then, let's check the configurations na pwede. So, sabi dito, you can use it like this. Pero perfect to pag nagdo-drawing ka or nag-notes ka. Or you can use it like this. Perfect to if you're watching naman. Watching videos, YouTube or Netflix. Let's put that on the side and let's proceed on the next Apple accessory, which is the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So, ang good thing about the iPad Air 4, it supports the recent Apple Pencil, which is this one, the 2nd generation. Kasi yung mga release this year na iPads, like the iPad 8th generation and the iPad mini, they can now support Apple Pencil but yung 1st generation. So, buti na lang si iPad Air 2nd generation na yung supported niya. So, this is better than the previous version, obviously. Okay, so before we do the unboxing, let's check also what we can see on the box. So, in front, you will see the Apple Pencil. On the side, may Apple Pencil lang din. And on the other end, meron siyang Apple Pencil din. At the top, wala. And let's go, open this na. Meron siyang pull tab. So, I'll pull it na. Ooh. Sarap talaga ng feeling ng nag-unbox ng tech. Comment down below if ganun din yung nararamdaman nyo if nag-unboxing kayo ng tech. Okay, so paano nga ba to? Ayun, meron siyang pull tab again here. Let's open this na. Okay, so nakalagay designed by Apple in California. Let's pull this. Okay, so medyo mabigat tong puro papel lang naman. And some instructions kung paano siya gagamitin. So, ayan. So, wala ring Apple stickers, instructions lang. Okay, so wala na to. And this is the Apple Pencil. Okay, let's remove this one. Best part again. Okay, so bago ko i-connect with the iPad Air, check lang natin yung Apple Pencil mismo. Nagkaroon ako ng Apple Pencil 2nd generation before with my iPad Pro 2018. So, ganun pa rin yung feeling niya. Hindi naman siguro nagbago. And, ang sarap ng weight. Yung weight niya, it's enough for you to write down and hindi naman siya sobrang gaan na parang hindi mo na siya ma-feel. So, perfect na perfecto. So, let's try to connect the flat part or flat side ng Apple Pencil with the iPad Smart Connector with this one. So, yan. So, ayan. Automatic siya and then meron ng animation. So, bago yung animation na yon. So, I think it comes with the latest iPad OS. Let's try to write some words. So, please. So, nabasa niya agad. Subscribe. So, ayan. Please subscribe. O sabi niya, please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay? So, ayan. Automatic na pag nag-write ka ng word and then may pause and then mag-write ka ulit ng word, alam niyang may space yun dapat. So, eto, after ng exclamation point, ang sasabihin ko ay thank you. So, ayan, automatic may spacing na. So, ang galing niya. Okay, to delete, scratch out a word to delete it. So, scratch mo lang yung word para ma-delete. Oh! Paano pag lahat? Oh, okay The next, select. Draw a line over a word and circle to select it. So, draw a line over a word. So, try natin dito sa word. Word. So, pwede mo na siyang i-cut, copy, select, all, or paste. Or encircle. Let's circle the circle word. Oh, okay. Galing. To insert, tap and hold your pencil in any editable field to make room to write additional text. Try inserting a new word to this sentence. Yon. And then next, draw a vertical line. Join characters or separate words by drawing a vertical line. Let's join or separate. Oh, pag may space, drawing mo lang ng line para mag-connect siya. And if you want to separate them, draw another vertical line. So, okay tong scribble na to. And wala siya from previous iPad OS. Okay, so let's try the lock screen and then magdo-drawing. So, okay. So, automatic na siya. So, currently, yung settings ko naka double tap para maging erase. So, double tap, balik sa right, double tap to erase. So, instead nagaganon-ganon ka pa. Yun na siya. Okay, so to charge it, you just need to put the Apple Pencil on the top and hayaan mo na siyang mag-charge. So, here's how it looks with yung iPad natin with the Smart Folio and the Apple Pencil connected. Okay, so I will link some other iPad Air accessories if you are looking for a cheaper alternative version, or I will look for a best deal that you can get right now since malapit na mag 11/11. So, ililink ko na lang din sa description sa baba. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So, ganito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.